Hey, welcome back, guys. Today's video, we're going to focus on finding slope from a table. And so slope describes how steep a line is. So I remember hearing as a kid, slope was rise over run. What that really means is it's your change in y over your change in x. So let's get started. All of these x and y values, these are just ordered pairs from a graph. Now I asked my students this: how does 7 become 1 minus 6? 1 become negative 2 minus 3. How does negative 2 become negative 12 or negative 14? That'd be minus 12. And then we're going to go to the left side to find all of our change in x values. How does negative 16 go up to negative 8? Plus 8. How does negative 8 go up to negative 4? That would be plus 4. How does negative 4 go all the way up to 12? That would be plus 16. And so what I'm thinking of is a vertical number line that I use in my class. And if you remember, on a vertical number line, we always say 0 is our sea level, and anything below it are our negative values, and then above it are our positive values. All right, so I'm going to set these up. Negative 6 over 8, negative 3 over 4, and then negative 12 over 16. When you simplify negative 6 over 8, you end up with negative 3/4. And so if you want to look at it from a different perspective, if you scale negative 3 and scale 4 using a scale factor of 4, you do have an equivalent ratio of negative 12 over 16. So our slope in this case is negative 3 over 4. All right, let's do another problem. And I put m because m is we use for slope in slope-intercept form. All right, so in this case, we don't have any negative values. That doesn't mean this isn't a negative slope. We're always going to start off with change in y, and then we'll find our change in x. 86 becomes 65 by minus 21. 65 minus 6 becomes 59, and then 59 becomes 41 by minus 18. How does 1 become 8? Plus 7. How does 8 become 10? That'd be plus 2. How does 10 become 16? Is plus 6. So let me set them all up. Negative 21 over 7. Negative 6 over 2. And negative 18 over 6. When you simplify all of them, you're going to end up with negative 3 each and every time, letting you know that your slope is negative 3. You don't have to put a 1 underneath it. That's a preference. I do feel like if you're going to graph it, you want to know go down 3 over 1 to the right. That's if you need a little help on that, check out my other videos on finding slope from a line. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and drop a comment.